3-4 मिनट्स का वीडियो पर उसके पीछे कितनी मेहनत लगती है, कितने लोगों की, कितने दिन की, कितने सालों की।
I need to still dance on my toes, keep that balance, keep myself up, not fall down like this while doing spins and everything.
इनको मैं गाना सिखा दूंगा, बट मैं ये भी जानता हूँ कि ये मुझे डांस करना नहीं सिखा पाएंगे।
नहीं, अरे।
Hi, this is Rahul Jain
And this is Ellie Avram.
And this is Salman Yusuf Khan.
and you're watching us on the Eastern Eye.
Hi Rahul, hi Ellie, hi Salman, welcome to Eastern Eye.
Thank you.
First of all, I have to say, what a beautiful song. You guys, all of them, you have done something amazing. I mean, you have composed this song, you guys have performed it. So first of all, congratulations for such a beautiful song.
Thank you Murtaza.
So I'll come to you, Rahul. Rahul, when you compose a song, and of course you sing it, and when Fidai was, recorded, did you think that, this can be converted into such a wonderful dance number?
Not really. Like कोई भी नहीं सोच सकता है यार, a rock ballad converted to a proper dancing kind of thing. But I think that's how Fidai becomes different from what we are looking at the other labels, what all stuffs are coming. So I think that makes it different. And to be really honest, I never imagined such kind of music video coming out of my composition Fidai.
Right. So, coming to Ellie, I think we have seen you doing this proper Bollywood dance numbers with jhatkas, thumkas and everything.
Yeah.
But now this is something totally different. And Salman has I think excelled in such kind of forms. So how difficult was it to you to match with him and to do such kind of dance?
Well, honestly speaking, I would not say that this is very difficult for me because this is what is more closer to my heart. Because I used to be a figure skater where it's all about being graceful, it's all about these postures and alignments and expressing the music that you are performing on. What was difficult was that now I have not danced these forms for many years because it's been all like the jhumkas and oomphness and all of that, So to get back to it, yes, that was of course, needed a lot of training for the body to remember that type of body language again. The tango section that we are doing, yes, that is something I'm not very familiar with, of course. So that also required a lot of practice to understand that type of dance form. But yeah, this is something I've been wanting to do for the longest in Bollywood because this is actually more my forte than the ones that you guys have seen me in. So I'm extremely grateful that I got this opportunity now because I really miss it. I miss training in this and I have so much more to learn, which I will. So yeah. I'm actually really grateful that I got this opportunity and I have Saurabh, our director choreographer, to thank for it, for seeing that I actually have that in me and he knew that he could bring this out from me. So I'm really grateful for that.
So when we talk about you both, you guys know each other from earlier because getting that chemistry right when you're doing such kind of a romantic track is very important. So how was it to be on the sets when you came on the sets for the first time?
This
you
was
guys
the
know
third
before
time
that?
we worked with each other. It was the third time we worked with each other.
Okay.
Yeah, we have done a photo shoot together. That was very intense and very, what do you say? Intimate, yeah. Then we did a live performance on Miss Femina, I think it was.
Yeah.
And then now this was the third time. So I was very excited to work with Salman again because he's a great performer, he's very professional, he's very kind, he's very supportive. He supported me a lot throughout this song, and
Awesome.
he helped me a lot in breaking down the movements and making me understand exactly, like the floor work that we were doing, for example, that's something which I'm also not really fond of. I'm more fond of dancing yaha upar, not throwing myself on the floor and all. So he was like, Ellie, you need to love the floor, just allow that fall to happen on the floor. So I was falling down and saying I love you floor so much, I love you and all of that, and then we were like getting into it. So yeah, he was very supportive and really helped me.
Let's hear from Salman what he has to say about you.
नहीं, मैं यही सोच रहा हूँ आम जनता को हमारी बातें सुन के लगता होगा ये लोग पागल है ना। सोचो कोई फ्लोर से कैसा आई लव यू बोलता है। दैट्स द कन्विक्शन ऑफ एन आर्टिस्ट कि अपने आप को कन्विंस कर पाना, उस मोमेंट को लिव करने के लिए हमें क्या क्या नहीं करना पड़ता। और हर किसी का एक अलग फॉर्मूला होता है। देयर इज अ डिफरेंट फॉर्मूला टू each one of us, and I think the whole experience is what makes it so wonderful for us to sit back and look at the video, and we know that these are the moments that we had to live, because what happens in the behind the scenes, people usually don't get to see that. Hopefully in this video we're going to release it and they get to see it, but what comes out is that 3-4 minutes का वीडियो, पर उसके पीछे कितनी मेहनत लगती है, कितने लोगों की, कितने दिन की, कितने सालों की। How many years back he sung it, that composition, and now it's come to shape and life, and people now in the world know about it. So that entire process for me is very beautiful. Yeah. For me it's very beautiful.
There were a lot of bruises and all happening.
I was going to ask you, was it difficult to dance with a lot of water around in the video?
Oh my goodness, yes. वो भी ठंडा पानी, और एक्चुअली वो फ्लोर भी ना, मतलब रिहर्सल के वक्त पे वो फ्लोरिंग एकदम पॉलिश्ड, अच्छा है, एसी चल रहा है, सब ऐसा अच्छा रहता है ना। बट ये वहाँ पे जो हम शूट किया ना, उसका फ्लोर had its
There's dry ice,
Stuff
there's
coming
water,
up
it's an
and,
uneven flow, there's rain, and then there's a director who's screaming on the top of his voice, "Jaldi karo!" So, it's a lot of pressure, but comes together.
Yeah, I mean, and I'm also dancing bare feet.
Right,
I mean, Salman is also dancing bare feet. But what I mean to say, this one portion, again, the tango bit, where normally as a girl you wear those ballroom dancing shoes, because the posture has to be correct, and you know, when you do the movements. But it does not make sense for me to suddenly have those shoes in this song. Of course, I have to do it bare feet, which means I need to still dance on my toes, keep that balance, keep myself up, not fall down like this while doing spins and everything. That was really mushkil on that floor, and it was very painful, but yeah, we managed to do it.
Right. So, you know, lastly coming, Rahul, I think you have featured in a couple of music videos of yours earlier. But, you know, they were more into that romantic zone and stuff. Any plans of doing like this proper dance video? Maybe Salman can help you in that.
Yeah, I would love to take his help. So yeah, I am I'm featuring in a lot of my upcoming music videos, and there can be, you know, a bit of dancing, but ये तो मैं I think मेरे को अगला जन्म लेना पड़ेगा। इस तरह का dance-
you teach me how to sing, I'll teach you how to dance.
Yeah, so ये डील तो है, but you know, मैं जानता हूँ कि इनको मैं गाना सिखा दूंगा, but मैं ये भी जानता हूँ कि ये मुझे डांस करना नहीं सिखा पाएंगे।
नहीं, अरे anybody can dance. हमने दो
Okay.
सीरीज बना दी उस पे।
Very good in, you know, breaking things
Lovely.
down, making you
So-
understand and all.
So on your channel he committed कि भाई कितने भी महीने लग जाए, साल लग जाए, I'll be his student, and you know, you have to make me dance.
Done. वो सब तो ठीक है, तुम्हें इतने पसीने क्यों आ रहे हैं?
Hotness, हम लोग
अच्छा, या कोई और इसका राज है? Usually होता है, you know, when you have somebody really beautiful sitting in front of you, आपके पसीने छूटने लगते हैं। कुछ ऐसा तो नहीं?
When Ellie is there, I have taken interviews. मेरे सारे interview में पसीने निकले. It's okay.
यही
आज हम भी है ना, अरे आज हम भी है।
Ellie, to you, of course, सलमान खान के साथ बिग बॉस में काम किया है, सलमान यूसुफ खान के साथ इस गाने में काम किया है, पहले भी काम किया है. Now next is Aamir Khan. We have seen the small like, you know, video which was leaked from the sets. Tell us how has been that experience?
It's been amazing, true blessing. I feel extremely blessed that I got this opportunity to work with such a wonderful superstar as Aamir Khan. He's so humble, so great at his art, so much to learn from him. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that song as well.
Right. So thank you so much, guys, for being with us, and I'm sure Fida is going to become a chartbuster, get trend on YouTube, and get all the good views. So thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you
you
so
so
much.
Thank you.